What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW, and today we're going to go over a day trading recap. Got ourselves a nice home run today. Check it out. Guys, before we get into this recap, do me that quick favor. You know what it is. Smash the like button. Subscribe to the channel. A lot of you guys watch this channel and you don't subscribe. It just takes a second of your time, and I don't spam like uploads. So it's not like I'm going to bombard your inbox with uploads. Subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you're alerted when I upload these videos. Also, remember to comment in the comment section below and let me know what you traded. Well, guys, Tesla. I have a live trade here for you today. Well, I got two live trades here for you today, and one of them is a home run trade. It really is. It was an awesome trade. Honestly, it's a home run day, but it was really like a grand slam trade for me anyways. It was probably close to $1,000 trade, so that was nice. However, I'm only sitting on a home run day because I was down on the day, so I'm going to show you both that red trade and the green trade. But Tesla. Guys, Tesla has been my white whale. I have not been able to capitalize on this stock, not even one time this month. And we're talking about a stock that has made an absolutely huge move this month. Look at this thing. This stock has gone from $400 to $650.88. And I've made some money, lost some money, made some money, lost some money. I just have not been able to capitalize on it. Like, I should have made thousands upon thousands of dollars on this stock, okay? And I haven't. And I don't know if I will. Like, it's been my white whale. I haven't been able to do anything with it. It's really starting to like get under my skin. Yesterday in after hours for fun, I traded 2 shares. I tweeted about it, made a couple bucks on it, in $617, out at $624 and change. But then I swung 10 shares, bought them at $648. I looked at what Tesla did on its previous earnings on a gap up, and I, saw that we were flagging really nice. Let me show you the extended hours here. Let's see here. Look at this. This is the first flag, okay, from 620. You see that? It's a beautiful bull flag. Boom, all the way to 660. Then it starts to flag again, all throughout after hours until 8 o'clock. And right around here, I bought just 10 shares at $648. And I was fully expecting either, a gap down about 10 bucks or a gap up to 675, 680. And I took the trade because I fully expected it more likely to gap up to that level. But it didn't. It didn't gap up to that level, and it gapped down, and I lost 14 bucks a share. So I lost $140 on it. And I just couldn't believe it. Then I was in another trade here. Let me take out extended hours here. And then I was eyeing it for some puts. But I have such huge trust issues with this little electric car company that I don't want to buy the puts. I can't Tesla. I can't Tesla right now. It's incredible. Then I was eyeing VVNT here, right in here. Where is it, Jesse? Right in here. I thought we might get another pop since we were holding $20 support. I thought we might get another pop to $22.50. So I jumped in there at 20 bucks, 500 shares. That was easy, a $1, $2 move with a 50-cent risk. I gave myself down to $19.50. I got slippage and I get stopped out until 1930 something. So that was nasty. And then finally, I was able to nail one good trade here on the SPY with SPY puts. And we're going to go over this trade and exactly how I traded it and why I traded it the way I did. And this is the trade that saved the day and has completely salvaged the week at this point, I would say, more or less. But it definitely saved the day. But before we get into all those live trades that I have here recorded for you, do me that quick favor, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and comment in the comment section below. Let me know what you traded, and let me know if you've been able to capitalize on Tesla, because I certainly haven't. Now let's go ahead and get into these live trades. Here it is, VVNT. I'm in at 2022. I'm stopping out right underneath this 9 EMA. And I'm looking for a push up to 22.50. I was definitely going to take half off up here in this pivot area in case we didn't break it. But the reality is that even taking off some there would have been a fat profit, because that would have been about $22. So 250 shares, that would have been $500 right there. So I'm risking, 50 cents to the downside, but I did catch some slippage, which is nasty. And I had a hard stop out. There we go. See, I'm looking for us to break this VWAP and just go. But check this out. Check this candle out. It's pretty nasty. There's even like a lag in my stop. I didn't get stopped out until 1936. See, 1936, I got stopped out. VVNT, whatever. And that was it. Boom. Nasty little loss right there. That was $430 loss, basically. Plus, $430 loss plus my 140 something on Tesla. Puts me down like $560, $570 on the day. That was nasty. That was a nasty one. But that was only my first trade of the day. So I sat and waited patiently. Then we had NNVC pop up. And I was eyeing it right here, holding this morning high right here. I was eyeing it in there, but the volume was just so spotty. I didn't feel comfortable. I thought if I grabbed 500 shares of this thing, as easy it could go to $12. It could have just dumped on nasty volume and caused me to have more slippage and have another nasty day. So I was like, all right, you know what? I'm not gonna mess with this. And sure enough, it went from 1070s all the way up here to 1169. So almost $1 move, but didn't trade that. And then we had the SPY, and the SPY was the win of the day. Let's see here. Now I'm in this 40 contracts. And why am I in this 40 contracts? Well, if you've noticed, I've been taking bigger share size lately. I am trying to adjust that and find where I'm actually feeling comfortable at, and I will allow these trades to work themselves out, all the while still increasing my share size compared to last year. So I'm still working on that formula for me, trying to find that sweet spot, and I will find it. But I was in 40 shares at $1.38. Well, 40 shares, 40 contracts. Okay. Now my stop. The plan on this trade is I'm in here, but the plan on this trade is for this 90 MA to crossover VWAP. 90 MA was resistance here and here. Okay, so it needs to be resistance here. If it's not resistance here and we pop up over it and we don't come right back under it and we look like we're gonna squeeze out, I'm gonna stop out, and it's gonna be a smallish loss, right? It's gonna be like a $300 loss, okay? And it's gonna suck on the day, but it's completely fine because it's within my risk tolerance here. I'm risking about $300, maybe a little bit over, right? Definitely well under $400, risking about 300 and change, because I'm not giving this to the high of day. I'm giving it to the trigger in this case, which is the 90 MA as my stop. And if it goes my way, I mean, we're looking to make some bank. I made about $1,000 on this trade. So I immediately look to take off 20 contracts down here. And those 20 contracts, as soon as I take them off, it puts me at break even on the day. Right there on my break even on the day. So my next 20 contracts are going to be basically all profit moving forward. Just about. I was like 100. When I sold those 20 contracts, I was down $100 on the day. Right there. When we got that, honestly, I thought about adding some more contracts, but I said, nah, let's pace ourselves here. So we see the rejection. That's exactly what I wanted. Now I want that 90 MA to crossover to the downside on VWAP. It does. I immediately take off 20 contracts right there. I take off those 20 contracts at $1.49. Now I was in at those contracts at $1.40. So, I made... Actually, I was in those a little bit cheaper. So, whatever. The point is I sold those 20 contracts, and that brought me down significantly on the day. Back to like near break even. I saw another 10 contracts. I'm looking for that flush. We don't really get it just there. So I sell out another 10 contracts at $1.69 from $1.34. That's a real nice take profit. Okay. Right there, right then and there, I am probably green already, like $100 and something, I want to say. I don't know, because I don't have, I'm not looking generally at my unrealized, and my realized, I have it blocked off. I don't want that to get in my head. So I really don't know how much I'm making at the moment there on the day, considering I was already red. So now I'm holding 10 more contracts. Now what I'm wanting is to take off another 5 contracts down here in front of the low of day, and hold on to 5 more contracts to see if we break the low of day. If we break the low of day, I'm looking to take off those 5 contracts and book my green day. Now, I've explained to you why I got in here, the 9 EMA resistance. Coronavirus is what's causing this, push down on the market. So 9 EMA resistance, looking for the crossover to the downside. We get it. So all my triggers are in place. 10 contracts. I'm up $369 on those final 10 contracts. The volume isn't increasing. Like, I really wanted to see a bigger red volume bar, but no matter. I'm looking for 324 to break. And if we break 324, we should go down and test the low of day. We have 324, 53s, 52s on the bid, but we're seeing all that red coming up on the tape. This 9 EMA is coming on down faster. I'm just looking for it to continue its fade. There we go. We break that 325 area. Okay. Now we're looking for it to push down. I sell some right there because the low of day is 324.30. So I sold some at 324.40s. So I sold 5 contracts there. Now I'm in the green. I'm well in the green. I'm just looking to add to it. I have 5 contracts left. I'm up 200 and change on those. Okay. Now I'm looking to sell these 5 contracts on a new low of day. I want the SPY to break this 324.30, make a new low. I'll sell those last 5 contracts I have, book about $300 in profit on those 5, and call it a day right then and there. Now the options I'm in are 325 strikes. They expire tomorrow. So since they expire tomorrow, they're a little extra volatile, right? So here we go. We get that extension move and we make a new low, 324.16. I'm up basically $300, over $300 on those final 5 contracts. I'm in at $1.34. They're popping off at $1.97. You see them right here on the ask. I'm gonna hold on a little bit, see if we get more. Because this thing can just dump all of a sudden and those contracts can go pop off at $2.50. Okay? They're popping off at $2 and we're kind of stalling there. I feel like we might get a little bounce potentially. So I stop out of those at $1.99 is where I sell them. $1.99, you see it right there. And that's it. I book my profit. And then we got a little bit of a bounce, but then it kind of like dumps again and makes a new fresh low. New fresh low is 323.54 on the day. And now we're getting a little bit of a bounce on the SPY. So I'm really happy I took profit in here. Sure, it could have held on to a little bit more, but hey, those contracts are right now popping off at $1.85. I took them off at $1.99. I am well into the green on the day, $447. That's a home run for me, and you know it. So let's see here. My Tesla I sold at $634, like I said. My VVNT I bought 2012, 2031, stopped out at 1936 as you saw. Then I started buying SPY puts, $1.38, $1.44, $45, $1.33, $1.49. I was just getting into those puts little by little. Then I started selling $1.69, $1.78, and $1.99 for a real nice green day. So I'm super happy with today's trade. It goes to show you that when you manage your risk properly, it only takes usually 1 or 2 trades to make all your losses back. And that's what I like about properly managing my risk. I see where I want to get in. I know where my stops are. I know where my sell targets are. If it doesn't work, my risk reward will allow me to take more trades, which when and if they are right, will mute these losses. And that's why I like to trade the way I do. Let me know how you like to trade. Drop it in the comment section below. Remember to smash the like button. I have an awesome video coming out here on a step-by-step how to establish an IRA retirement account, either a Roth or a traditional, and you're really going to like it. So make sure you hit the notification bell so you're alerted when I drop that video, and I'll catch you on the next one.